Hey homeowners, this is Bianca from your favorite channel, MF Home TV. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button and make sure to stay until the end of the episode as we announce last week's winner and today's prize. So today we are going to transform the usual living room style into a tropical themed living room. To get everyone on the same page, a tropical interior design style highlights comfort and relaxed living of the island life. It uses natural materials like bamboo, wicker, rattan, and teak, and it embraces nature such as the sea, sky, and plant life. So expect decor and furniture with these natural elements. Did you guys note that down? Well, great, because now we are going to hop on a plane because we are going to the tropics. Tropic like it's hot. Tropic like it's hot. Tropic like it's hot. And we are done. We've replaced the old furniture with natural materials like rattan, as you can see in these light pendants. We've also added botanical and lush greenery accents, as you can see in this tropical-inspired chair and footstool. And we've added breeze into our space by putting light-colored accents. Doesn't this room feel like you're in the middle of a beautiful island? All I need is some tropical music and a pina colada, and it's like I am forever on vacation with a living room like this. Again, this has been Bianca for MF Home TV, inspiring your home. Congratulations to last week's winner! Get a chance to win this week's prize.